Hello and welcome to yet another episode on my channel. In my previous video, we explored the beautiful Taj Mahal, the grand finale of a love story. Today we step into the place where that story actually began. From Rajput stronghold to Mughal powerhouse, from British garrison to the Indian army control, Agra Fort has always stood at the center of power. And if Taj Mahal is a symbol of eternal love, Agra Fort is the story of everything that came before and everything that followed. So today we call it Agra Fort or the Red Fort of Agra, but centuries ago it started as Badalgarh, a fort ruled by the Rajput king Badal Singh. There are actually 4 gates to enter the fort, but today the Amar Singh gate is the only entrance open for the public. Once we pass the first gate, the next one is a decorative royal gateway. This was not for the enemies, this was for important guests and kings. As we walk through the passage, on the right we can see Jahangiri Mahal, built by Akbar for his son Jahangir. Next to Jahangiri Mahal is the ruins of Akbari Mahal, the oldest residential section. This area housed Akbar's harem of over 5,000 women, each with her own apartment. Inside Jahangiri Mahal, we can see a blend of Islamic arches, Rajput Jharokhas and Persian floral patterns. Above the entrance is a 6-pointed star. From the balconies of Jahangiri Mahal, you get a breathtaking view of Taj Mahal across the Yamuna River, a constant reminder of love and legacy. So Shah Jahan replaced Akbar's red sandstone palaces here with white marble, seeing it as a true symbol of purity and eternal love. Here stands the golden pavilion of Princess Roshanara, Shah Jahan's second daughter with Mumtaz Mahal, a princess whose ambition would shape Mughal history. Now we step into Khas Mahal, built by Shah Jahan in white marble. This was the private bedroom of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal. So the Khas Mahal was Shah Jahan's private palace where he met select courtiers in the hall of private audience, spent quiet moments with Mumtaz Mahal in his living quarters, and from the octagonal tower gazed across the Yamuna at the Taj Mahal. This pavilion was built for Shah Jahan's eldest daughter, Jahanara. Unlike her ambitious sister Roshanara, Jahanara remained loyal to her father even during his imprisonment. So Musamman Burj. This is the most emotional spot in the fort. Shah Jahan spent the last 8 years of his life here, imprisoned by his son Aurangzeb. The walls and ceiling of Musamman Burj are made up of delicate white marble with intricate carvings and arches that reflect light softly across the chamber. From this balcony, Shah Jahan would gaze upon the Taj Mahal, the mausoleum of the woman Mumtaz Mahal. Next to the Khas Mahal is the Sheesh Mahal or the Mirror Palace. Although entry is not allowed for visitors here, the walls and ceilings are said to be covered in tiny mirrors, so a single candle could light up the entire room. Facing the Khas Mahal is this garden, which was not just for beauty. The marble channels carried water that cooled the air, making Anguri Bagh a secret oasis for the royal woman. We are now in Diwan-I or the Hall of Public Audience. This is where Emperor met the people. Emperor Shah Jahan sat on the raised throne here while everyone else stood below, showing the power of the emperor. So a few years back, I visited Amer Palace in Jaipur and it had a similar setup, public halls for commoners and private halls for nobles. Agra Fort shows the same balance of power, protocol and grandeur, just in the Mughal style. So do check out my Jaipur videos as well. I'll provide the links at the top. Just diagonally opposite to Diwan-I is the Moti Masjid or the Pearl Mosque. It was built by Shah Jahan for private prayers. As I walk back towards the exit, I realize that Agra Fort is more than stones and walls. It's where the Taj Mahal was dreamed, where love and betrayal played out, and where a king quietly spent his last days. If the Taj is love, Agra Fort is the heart. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, have a good one and bye-bye.